हेलो बच्चों, लेट्स लर्न A to Z birds name. A for albatross. B for bulbul. C for crow. D for duck. E for eagle. F for flamingo. G for goose. H for hawk. I for ibis. J for jay. K for kingfisher. L for lovebird. M for magpie. N for nightingale. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quail. R for robin. S for sparrow. T for toucan. U for umbrella bird. V for vulture. W for woodpecker. X for Xanthus hummingbird. Y for yellowhammer. Z for Zebra Finch. वेरी गुड बच्चों, आज हमने सीखा A to Z बर्ड्स नेम। ऐसे ही सीखते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो। मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।